Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so we just got this in this morning. But I wanted to show you because I have yet to show a video of how well they're packaged when they come in. How well they do with their shipping and make sure nothing's broken, like nothing moves around during shipping. So we are in a canvas, brand spanking new. I think I might be the first one in here since it got brought to the lot. So we're going to take a look. You ready? Which means you guys are the first ones in there too, or in here. Look at this. So this is what it looks like when we first get them. And you've seen what they look like after we get our hands on them and make them, put them all together. But look how well they do. They even put shims in there for shipping because they really care about their products. And we got the drawers, all rubber band closed. Everything is taped so nothing goes flying. Hope somebody was in here because they opened up these drawers. And look at that. So, brand new park model. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, and then also, look at that. This nifty way of holding down stools so they don't go flying and they don't scratch up the floor or they don't get broke. Nothing gets broke or ruined. How cool is this? I don't know. I just thought it'd be something that everybody would be interested in taking a look at to see. I mean, everybody gets to see them when they're all dolled up and decored up and all that fun stuff, but thought maybe you'd be interested in seeing it before all that happens. All right, well, that's all I got for you. Have a good day. Bye.